everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma, if you haven't been here before, and if you have, it's nice to see you again. Before we get started, make sure to go ahead and give this video a like or a dislike, leave a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. Anyway, today what we're going to be discussing is, I already did a video before on how to propagate an elephant bush plant, but today I'm going to tell you how to propagate an elephant bush plant in water. And I find this to be a very, very quick and easy way to propagate elephant bushes. It really doesn't need a lot of prep work. It really takes a short amount of time, and I'm going to show you the before and after results. So let's go ahead and get started. It's going to be a very quick video, so let's go. Alright, so here we have our elephant bush plant. What you're going to want to do is get some clean cutters. You're going to want to find a piece of the bush where there's a node, which means it has an intersection. This is broken, so I'm just going to take it off of here. Then we find a section. You're going to want to make sure your plant is healthy too, so nice and full leaves. And down here I have found a section with a node like this. I'm going to go ahead and take off some excess here so that there's a nice stem I can stick into some water. And the final step here is, once you have gotten your healthy cutting and it has a long enough stem and a node here, you're just going to place it in some water. I personally would take something with a tighter neck, but this is just for showcasing purposes. Make sure that the water is clean, the container is clean, and you're just going to want to place this in a sunny location, inside or outside. You just don't want the water to get really particularly hot. And after you've placed your cutting in probably something with a tighter neck so it's more stable in some water, you're going to want to wait 2, 3, maybe 4 weeks, and you're going to have a cutting that looks like this, with not very strong and stable roots that you can replant in some soil, or you can put into another container with water and hang. These are great indoor tresaling plants, or they're great outside as filler bushes. Here's a bonus clip of this variegated elephant bush potted up here because I was just really excited about it and I wanted to share what it looks like. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. They're very easy to maintain, very easy to care for. They're great beginner's plants, and I hope this video helped you guys out. If it helped you out, please leave a thumbs up. If you have any tips, tricks, or this video was helpful, please leave a comment, and I hope that you guys subscribe so I can see you again next Saturday. I'm kind of like that crazy friend who shows up every Saturday at 11 a.m. to tell you something fun. So I hope to see you then. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.